let's have some fun with lipstick, lip gloss, and lip liners from Runway Rogue. Hi, I'm GloryB, and this is GloryB-TV, a lifestyle channel for mature women who want to look fabulous, feel amazing, and age gracefully. I was gifted a few items by Runway Rogue, which is a lip product company started by model Patricia Hartmann. Now, if I had her lips, I would start a lip product company too, but I don't. So let's see how the products work on mature lips. Now, they offered me to choose some things myself. I purposely chose lipstick, lip gloss, and lip liner. No, I chose lipstick and lip gloss. They sent me the lip liners. I purposely did not pick the liquid lipstick. In fact, when I was doing some research, like, okay, who else has reviewed this brand on YouTube? I found a woman who bought the liquid lipstick and didn't like it on mature lips. And I have a hard time with liquid lipstick, getting it all over and blah. So I'm better with lipstick and lip gloss and sometimes lip liners. So I purposely chose some colors that I didn't want bright, I didn't want bold, I didn't want brown, I didn't want way too neutral. I wanted something that was between pink and coral. When you see them all lined up, at least in colors on the website, just to pick something kind of in the middle. So the thing is, and I want to show you some clips from their website. When I was looking at lip gloss, I chose the one called Fashion Week. They describe it as multifaceted rose gold. So you can see a couple others in my photo that I picked there as well. Then for lipstick, for the cream, you'll notice a lot of them are brown or bold. So the one that wasn't is called Patricia. And so they call that a cool tone pale rose. And then I wanted one in shimmer, and I chose the one called Trophy Wife. This is a frosted pale pastel pink with silver shimmer. I thought it looked really pretty. There are some that are a little more pink, apparently, that they sell, but that's what I picked. And then for lip liners, they sent me one called A-List. They describe that as a soft pink mauve with neutral undertones. And they also sent me one called It's a Wrap, and they describe that as a soft blushing pink. Now, you don't want to miss my discount code. So to get the link to shop and to get the discount code, everything is in the description box below the video. If you don't know how to open up the description box, I totally understand. If you're watching on a phone or a tablet or other mobile device, go below the video, and on the right side, you'll see a little V. Tap the little V. That opens the description box. Then now, since I filmed this little how-to, they've added something where you have to click or tap where it says more, and that opens the description box completely. The link is there, the discount is there, and all the other products I'm wearing on my face today are there as well. If you're watching on a computer, go below the video. And on the left side, you'll see the word show more. Click those words, show more, and that opens up the description box completely. And then scroll down a bit and you'll find the links under products mentioned. All right, so now to one more thing I want to tell you about this company is that they call this clean beauty. So they have a whole page called ingredients, and they talk about what's in it. It's cruelty free, and so you can go there and read a little bit more if you are into clean ingredients. So next we're going to get to the demo. I'm going to show you what each of these products looks like by itself, and then even combine a couple of them together. And then later on we'll see how I'm just going to wear the lipstick later on today and tell you how it lasted. I thought I'd start by just testing out the gloss by itself. And this color, like I said, is Fashion Week. It's described as multifaceted rose gold. It's got a tiny bit of a scent. Oh, I like that by itself. I don't think I've worn it by itself so far. I've been putting it on top of lipstick and putting it on top of liner, but it has enough color for me. And you see, it's a little bit pink, a little bit coral mixed together, and that's why I chose it. All right, let's go next with the lipsticks. I'm starting with Patricia, which is the cream. And I'm wearing pink today, so it stands out. I chose this color just because some of the others were so brown looking or they were really bold, and I didn't want that. So yeah, this is really pigmented. So by itself, it's okay. I might try the shimmer on it, but I'm not going to do that today because I want you to see this. But let's try it with the gloss on top. So with the gloss on top, it does tone down the pink a little bit. Yeah, I like it. So let's try the shimmer lipstick next. The shimmer lipstick is called Trophy Wife. These names sometimes funny. The Frosted Pale Pastel Pink with Silver Shimmer. So looking at their colors together, there were some that were more pink looking than this one, but it's still quite pink. And yeah, I like it. And it's a lot like my L'Oreal ballerina shoes, ballerina slippers. What do I call it? Ballerina something. The pink with the shimmer. Let's try this one with the gloss on top as well. It just tones it down a little bit. I like it both ways. Now let's try a lip liner, and then we'll put gloss on top of the lip liner as well. I'm starting with the lip liner called A-List. This is one that I thought was a little bit brown, even though they call it a soft pink mauve with neutral undertones. I need a 10x mirror for this. I'm going to fill in the whole thing. My lips are small, so, you know, by itself, the lip liner is, it's dry, which it's supposed to be. All right, so that's the A-List. I'm wearing pink, so it doesn't look so pink, but close up by itself, it does have a little pinky. Let's try the gloss on top. All right, let's see how I like that. Oh, that looks nice. Yeah, I think I could do that. Like if you're not a lipstick person, you like a lip liner or you like a gloss, but you like it to stay longer, I think this would be good. Let's try the other lip liner now. This is a lip liner that's a little more pink called It's a Wrap. Okay, more pinky, but dry like a lip liner, which means it's going to stay on well. And then put on my gloss. Okay, that looks really nice too. So what I'm going to do, it's actually very late morning now, right before lunch. So after lunch, I'm going to apply, let's see, I'm going to apply one of the lipsticks alone. I think I'm going to do the shimmer, the one called Trophy Wife. I'll put it on after lunch. It's a warm day. I'll be drinking water and iced tea and everything. And let's see how long I can go before I think I need to reapply, and then I'll come tell you about it in the next clip. I finally applied the lipstick at 1:45, late lunch, and it was going really well. It looked great. It was staying on. And then I ate something at 4:15. I mean, not just a little bite of something, but ate something, drank something. So then I went out to run an errand and I'm looking in my mirror and yeah, it's gone. But I was only using this shimmer. I wasn't using any lip liner. I wasn't using any lip gloss, but I bet if I had, it would have stayed on a little tighter. So I don't know. I really like these. The smell is really light. If you've watched any of my other videos, you know I can't do scented products. I can only do unscented and very lightly scented. So these are good for that. Make sure to go below the video in the description box to get the link to shop and to grab the discount code for 15% off anything. You know, if you like liquid lipstick, go ahead and try it. It's just not my thing. But lipsticks and lip glosses are my thing, and sometimes lip liners, as long as I have something on top of the liner. Runway Rogue. Go try it out. And then after you're done checking out the description box and all the links, check out one of my other videos by tapping its image on the right side of your screen, and I'll see you in the next video.